everyone, welcome back. My name is Smiti and I hope you all are safe and doing well. So today's video is all about beginners, non-readers and teenagers who really is influenced by the book community and want to start reading but are not able to understand which type of book they should pick and what category they should pick, what kind of books will attain their interest. So if you have all those questions in your mind, you have reached the right place, and I'm going to tell you what all things you should keep in your mind. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have 12 books for today's video, and all these books are of different categories, of different genres, and you will find one such book that you will be influenced by, or you will definitely want to read. Okay, so before you start reading, you should keep in your mind that you have not ever read. Okay, so the first and foremost thing that will attract you is the book cover. So if you will have different interesting book covers, you will be attracted towards that. So pick books which are of your interest and the covers which are appealing to you. Second, you should pick books which are of very less pages, like 50, 100, 150 pages. That is the second thing you should keep in mind, because if you have a thick book, it is very common that you will be afraid of starting it. As I have a lot of thick books, so sometimes I get afraid before picking the book, because there are so many pages and I simultaneously have different things to do. So I know if I'll take a thick book, it will take much more time than what a thin book will take. So that's the second thing. Third thing is the titles of the book which are appealing to you, which are of your interest. Like if you love romance, you can take that kind of a book. If you are a person who is a teenager and who attracts fairy tale kind of love stories, then also you can take those books. If you But always remember, the stories are fictions, and I'll definitely come up with a video where I'll be talking about different genres and different categories of book, but this is not about that. So yeah, the title of the book which are appealing to you, like I'll give you one example for this, which is this one. This is She. You can see the cover, it is very appealing. Secondly, the book is thin. Third, the title of the book is She. So if you are a female, you will directly attract this, because we love seeing women grow. Yes, some women don't like other women's growth, but most of the women love watching people who inspire them. Like I look up to so many people or so many women who inspire me, and that is the fact behind the title. So fourth thing that you should keep in your mind is that the font inside the book is bigger, so that if you see a very small font in a book, you already start feeling that, oh my, there are so many words on the single page, and you start doubting yourself. So always pick all those books which has very big fonts. Okay, point number 5 is you should always take books from other recommendations also, and you definitely will buy from Amazon or Flipkart or other platforms. So there are always reviews on that particular book, so you can definitely refer to it, and you can see the story, if it is simple or if it is mediocre or it is difficult. So you can pick wisely your book. The sixth thing is that always pick a book which is of your interest. Okay, so I think I said this, but all the genres which are of your interest, only pick those books, if I'm clear. Okay, now I'll be recommending you 12 books that I have sorted for you, and these are all those books that I recommended my sister, who is a teenager who hates reading, who never have started reading or has ever read any book before this, and she never used to read her textbooks also, which you have novels in your syllabus also, right? So she never used to read those. She always used to hear the audios of the books, and that is it. So I made her start reading. I challenged her, and I know what will push her. So yeah, so you can also push yourself if you don't have someone with you, or you can ask someone who is in the reader community that to push yourself and to motivate you in reading, like I'm doing to you. you can take my motivation and start reading. So she is a teenager, she is a non-reader, and she's a beginner. So all these books I had recommended to her. So the first book that I gave her was The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. This is a book that I read, and I don't think you should have a particular age to start any book. It was definitely a book which is very easy, thin, cover is appealing. The name Blue Umbrella is so fascinating that you really want to know that what a blue umbrella can do. So that's why I gave this to her. And so the font inside it is also very perfect for a beginner, and the story is very easy. So the story is basically inspiring story, and it tells you that you should be satisfied with whatever you have. So such a good book, and such a simple story, yet such powerful moral to it that she fell in love with the book, and she completed this in one day. So after reading this, she asked me if I can give her more books. So definitely when you complete a certain book, you get motivated and you want to read more. So that was the thought behind this. So the second book that I gave her was by Murakami, and it is The Birthday Girl, and this is how it looks. I have reviewed this on my channel. You can watch the review. It is very thin book. Again, it has 60-70 pages, and the cover is very appealing. You don't understand what is there inside the book. And Birthday Girl, what can a person write in a birthday girl? And also the book is very controversial, so you really want to know. So yeah, that is the reason I gave this to her, and she again loved this, and she was in a thought process where what could be the ending. And it is all that reading teaches you. You have so strong will to know what is there, and your imagination also increases through this. So yeah. Okay, so the first book is a fiction book, okay, and the second book is also a fiction, but it is a mystery kind of a fiction book. So yeah, there are two categories. And the third book that I gave her is She. It is a poem based book where you have very short messages, and the pages are also colorful, so you are able to get through it, and you will be able to engage in it. And that's the reason I gave her. It is a thick one from those books, but there are not a lot of words in the book, so you will be easily able to complete this. So my strategy was to motivate her to push herself so that she feels satisfied after reading and completing every book. When you reach the last page of any book, and when you close it after completing, you feel satisfied within yourself. So that was my main motive, and that's the reason I gave this to her. The fourth book was also very strategically planned, and it was The Night Diary by Veera Hir Anandi. And I gave this to her. I know it is a thick book. I know that the font is smaller than the previous fonts, but I know the story, okay, and the story is very motivating. The story is of a child. The story is of Desh Bhakti. The story is of a person who regularly, if do something, can achieve something. So basically a journal entry book, and I have reviewed this also, so you can go and check that out. But it is definitely very inspiring book, and I gave this her, and she felt strong emotions through this. I have seen her. She just sleeps beside me, so I can watch her while reading, and she loved this one because the story is very simple. The book is very simple, and after reading such thin books, it takes time to read this thick book. But after completing this book, she never stopped. Okay, after completing this book, we started the 7-day challenge. So she read 4 books before that. So yeah, it is also a very good book. You can pick it up. So I'll show you randomly whichever book is on the above, and I'll talk about that, okay, because I don't remember after that which book she read. So the next book is The Girl in Room 105, an unloved story by Chetan Bhagat. And it is also a thick book, but every teenager or every reader, 90 percent readers have definitely read Chetan Bhagat, and I'm not guilty about it. We all have started reading, at least the people I know have started reading through Chetan Bhagat, and in our teenage life we definitely have read once Chetan Bhagat. So it is that kind of a book, and she is an adult. This is a Chetan Bhagat book, and it is an unloved story. I'll review this also super soon, but it is also a good book by Chetan Bhagat. But it is a different kind of book which he has written, and I don't like his writing, to be very honest. So still I had this book because after a long time he published a book which was in the market and everybody was talking about, so I got this, and yeah, it is a good book basically. You can complete this definitely. Chetan Bhagat is one person, you can definitely complete it. When you start reading a thick book, okay, always remember starting 50 pages to 70 pages are difficult to hold. Okay, so you will not be hooked to the story because it is very new to you, and you are not watching anything that will generate interest in you. So you have to stick to it. You should not keep a book after 50 pages. You should not you should never judge a book after 50 pages. But once the story is halfway through, you can judge it. It's upon you, but don't judge after 50 pages, because after 50 pages is what the story begins. Next book was by Sudha Murthy, and it is the 3000 Stitches. I will review this also super soon, but it is a real life story based book of Sudha Murthy's, and there are a lot of stories which are inspiring. Specifically the second story and one more story. I literally fell in love with the woman, and obviously she is a writer, so I fell in love with the writer, and this is also a motivating story. So it is a non-fiction book, but it definitely has stories which will make you feel interested, and you will learn a lot of things which you don't know. And the books she writes has no particular age to be read, because she writes it for everyone. Okay, so anybody of any age can read her books, basically I want to say that. Okay, so the next book is Life is What You Make It by Preeti Shenoy, and it is one such book I recommend to all people because I love her and I love her writing. And this is the first book I read from Preeti Shenoy, and since then I have never stopped reading her books. I literally love all her books, and the protagonist in this book is someone whom I can relate to another level. Okay, so I literally love this book, and yeah, I will highly recommend it to all people. It is inspiring. Okay, so people who have lost hope in life should definitely pick it up. You will feel better, I am sure. So yeah, the next book is again by Preeti Shenoy. It's Love a Little Stronger, and this is how the cover looks. The cover is attracting. It is a real life story based on Preeti Shenoy. So she has written the amazing stories of her life like Sudha Murthy's book. She has written all the amazing stories from her life in this, and yeah, there are a lot of stories in this which are motivating, and some are so funny. Some will make you cry, some will make you laugh out loud, some are okay, but in all the book is very interesting to start for a beginner, and the story which you don't like you can easily skip. So yeah, I like this one also. The next book is Wish I Could Tell You by Durjoy Datta, and he is a writer which I recently discovered in 2020. I got this book in 2020, and I had not started reading then only, but after few days or after few months I read this book after getting it, and he is a fantastic writer, and this book definitely is something that will twist and turn your mind. It is such a fantastic mystery solving book, and such a emotional book that you will literally cry reading this, and definitely it is a fiction, but the plot, the way of writing is impeccable. So yeah, you will feel interest in reading, and definitely you should pick this up. So the next book in the pile is The Girl with Blue Eyes by Vaibhav Nigam. This is how it looks. Definitely the cover is appealing. Definitely the title is appealing. But I would not recommend it to people who are below 18 years old. Please don't pick this book up. If you are above 18, then you can definitely pick this book up. I gave this to my sister because there are a lot of thick books and are a lot of classic books and a lot of non-fiction books which she don't feel attracted towards. She likes mystery kind of books, fiction books basically, the love stories and those kind of books. So I gave this to her so that she sticks to reading and feel interest in reading. But I told no to her to read this, but she read this in the 7 day 7 book challenge duration, and otherwise I would have not recommended this to her to pick also. But I got this because the cover was appealing, the blur was appealing to me, and I basically read those books which are not overrated, so I take books which are underrated. So I got this, but I would say don't pick it up if you are below 18. I'm not stopping you, I'm not telling you what to do, but it will trigger you. Okay? Above 18, you can take this book, and it is very interesting, very fantasy based, very triggering. So yeah, you can read this. And the last two books are books which I have already recommended to you in my last 7 day 7 book challenge video. But after that journey, she read these two because she saw me into it, and she likes books, I think, which have a hang to it afterwards also. So these were two books which she picked. I don't think I need to explain why she picked this. I have explained this in my last video, so you can go and watch that out. But these are two books last which she picked. So that is it for today's video. I hope that in the entire pile you will find one such book or all the books interesting to read, and definitely join this community and tag me if you read any book from my recommendation. I would love to hear what you feel and how you felt after reading. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit the like button, also share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. So stay tuned and hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a video, because I have not fixed any particular schedule apart from the Saturday videos. So you will be getting videos anytime, and I'll see you in my next video. So till then, take care of yourself, take care of family, stay kind, stay positive, and bye bye.